Alright guys, so right now I am working on the Introduction to Molecules and Molecular Bonding and Shape Investigation. And I am done with Activity 1. Activity 1 was pretty straightforward, just had to write out the structure of a few molecules, which was pretty easy and boring for y'all, so that's why I'm recording part 2 since it's a little more interesting. Now, I've been having trouble inflating and putting these balloons into a knot. So, let's do this. So, activity 2 is electron domain geometry. So it says the three-dimension shape of a molecule is projected using the valence electron shell. The VSEPR model. So, in the first one, we have to create the linear geometry, the two electron domains. So we have to inflate the balloons, tie the open end in a knot, repeat to prepare a second balloon of approximately the same size, tie the balloon together into a knot, and label the model and photograph it later for future reference. So I probably won't photograph it until the very end, just because I'm using my phone to record this video. So let's get started. So it says they should kind of be the same size, and I kind of made them a little small so you guys could see them in the camera. And also because if I make them too big, then they won't fit on my desk. And these are so hard to tie, I'm not kidding. So let's see if I can tie them using a rubber band.
Vamos a estar ahí si quieres ir a jugar lotería.
Okay. Sorry about that. My family's here, and they're about to play some board games. So. Okay, so there we go. And now, just because these are so hard to tie, I'm going to use a rubber band kind of just to hold them together. So there we go. So that was the linear geometry to electron domain. So there we go. Okay, so now let's go to the second part of activity 2, which is the trigonal planar geometry. 3 electron domains. So it says inflate and tie 3 balloons. Tie the 3 balloons together. Start by tying 2 balloons together and then use a free end to knot around the third. Label the modeling and photograph for future reference. Okay. Okay, this is a lot harder than it looks, guys. Gotta do this with 3 balloons. Okay. Actually, So there's that one. So that's going to be the 3 electron domains. This is kind of looking pretty cool, guys. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the tetrahedral geometry, which is 4 electron domains. So it says inflate and tie 4 balloons. Tie the balloons together to form 2 shells of 2 balloons. Sorry, 2 sets of 2 balloons. Twist the 2 sets of 2 balloons together by crossing the knotted centers. Okay. Ow, that hurt. Okay, so now I have to blow another balloon, tie it together, and then I'm gonna wrap it around these 2 balloons right here. So let's see how we're gonna do this. So I think it'd be kind of cool if the professor actually posts these like on Blackboard for us to see everybody's at the end of the class. That way we can just, compare to see how other people did the experiment and to, make sure that we're actually doing this correctly, because I'm pretty sure that if everybody got the same balloons that I did, they're definitely not easy to work with. So. But hey, you gotta make it work, right? So, okay. I think I did it right. Okay, so this is what the tetrahedral 4 electron domain looks like. Pretty cool. So it sits like this. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna do the trigonal bipyramidal geometry. The 5 electron domain. So it says inflate and tie 5 balloons. Tie 4 balloons together to form 2 sets of 2 balloons. Tie a 3rd balloon to one of the sets. Twist the set of 3 balloons and the set of 2 balloons together by crossing the knotted centers. Okay. So kind of similar how we did the last one. So. So this will definitely make you lightheaded, blowing so many balloons. So actually, getting kind of tired of blowing these, but I actually like this lab because it kind of gives you like a perfect visual of what these look like. Sorry if y'all hear all the background noise. Okay, so I have the 2 sets of 2 balloons, so now I have to tie another balloon to one of those. And then I have to twist those together, so let's see. Okay, so there's that, the 3, and then twist the set of 3 balloons and the set of 2 balloons together by crossing the knotted centers. Okay, so I'm guessing this is what it's supposed to look like. This is kind of cool. This is really cool, actually. And then do the next one.